Are you new in microblading and you're struggling with your strokes? Are you struggling with your pattern, just like the pictures I'm showing now? But you really want is patterns like this one, and this one, and this one? Well, let me show you what you do. Practice on paper. This is crucial because it helps you to memorize and understand the pattern of the eyebrows. By doing this, when it's time for you to work on real brows, you won't second guess yourself. Practice on synthetic skin. This is crucial because it helps you to memorize and understand the eyebrows pattern. By doing this, when it's time for you to work on real brows, you won't second guess yourself. This helps you build muscle memory. Remember, your strokes are only as precise as your hands movement. The more you practice, the more precise and consistent your strokes will become. During microblading section, between 2 and 3 strokes, always clean your blade, as debris from the skin can dull the blade and affect your precision. With consistent practice, you will train your hands to create precise, clean strokes, just like the one in this example. Follow my schedule for 30 days and you will see real progress and the magic will happen. And the schedule is listed down below. I can't wait to see your progress in 30 days. Good luck!